Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley for FX Explained, and again we're looking in here at the major European equity indices in here, starting off with the FTSE 100, which has a surging rally from last week. Really strong rally last week, but then a setback from just below this key swing high from late November at 74.42. But a really strong rally after the UK election result, after the strong victory for the Conservative Party, who won a 80-seat majority in here. That's created stability for the market. It means that a more orderly, a likely more orderly Brexit process, and the market likes that. The FTSE 100 future like that. Global equities liked it, in fact. But the FTSE certainly being a big beneficiary in here, and also from a bit of the pound weakness we've seen in here over the last 24 hours going into this week. The pound dipping back lower, with the pound having had a surging rally against the dollar and the euro last week. But that pound weakness is good for the FTSE. It's good for companies in the FTSE who earn their earnings, a lot of their revenues from overseas. So the FTSE surging higher both on Friday, Thursday night, Friday, and then again in here higher yesterday. A really strong rally, taking out that 74.42 peak, creating a bigger potential breakout in here from this multi-week, multi-month, in fact, consolidation range, and leading European equities higher. So we're seeing real risk for further upside. 76.66 in here, 7,700 natural upside targets now going into this week and into the end of the year. Let's turn our attention to the European equity indices. So the DAX in here also doing well on the back of that Conservative Party victory after the UK general election, breaking out above this 13,374 peak from November, reinforcing the intermediate term bullish theme, rejecting this previous setback that we saw in early December, and a rebound again yesterday, aiming higher through this 13,458.5 recent peak and 13,500 psychological for higher targets both this week and through the holiday season. And the pan-European equity index in here, that's the Euro STOXX 50, also doing well. We've got a gap higher back on Friday after the UK election result. It took out this 37.29 peak again from mid-November, and although we filled the gap back here on Friday, the market's surging back higher to another new recovery high at 37.77 yesterday, and sitting just below that high in here this morning going into Tuesday. Upside targets above 3,800 expected this week, and maybe higher going into the end of this year. This has been Steve Miley with a equity index, European UK equity index review and outlook for today. I'm going to wish you all a great trading day. Don't forget to check us again out on our YouTube channel, and I'll be back with you soon.